The markets, the Sensex is now down over 700 points. But let's do one thing. Let's take stock of what happened in the auto sector. In the month of July, the auto sales were a mixed bag. So we thought of putting out some trends for you to just give you a sense of which way things are headed. The first big trend that we noticed is that there is weakness in the domestic two-wheeler space, and that's something that can continue. Hero MotoCorp is your biggest loser in trade today, the biggest Nifty loser, after seeing a steep fall of 12% in overall sales. Domestic sales are down by 13%. And the company in their press release said that the unprecedented rains and floods in certain parts of the country caused crop damage in several states. And that has led to a sharp decline in customer footfalls at dealerships. So that's one big pocket of weakness. The other big pocket of weakness is exports in the two-wheeler space. So both Bajaj Auto and TVS Motors saw a sharp decline in exports in the month of July. Bajaj Auto's exports fell 18%. TVS Motors exports saw a steep 20% year-on-year fall. And this is surprising considering that some of these companies like Bajaj Auto indicated that things would improve July onwards. All right, let's move on. The tractor segment was not bad actually. Give and take everything, it was a strong growth both for Escorts as well as for M&M. Escorts, in fact, as we speak, is up 3% after posting both very good earnings and robust July sales. The domestic sales growth was almost 10%. The management said that retail demand will pick up in the festive season. And M&M's tractor sales were also very strong, a volume growth of 11%. The other big positive trend we noticed is premiumization. So across the board, the premium end of the market has picked up in a big way. Royal Enfield has seen its total sales growth of 32%. M&M clocked the highest ever SUVs in a single month at 36,200 in this month. And Tata Motors EV sales went up 53% year-on-year. So that's one pocket that continues to look very good. And finally, in the commercial vehicle segment, there were disparate moves that came in. Tata Motors saw weakness in CV sales. CV sales were down 4% year-on-year, while on the flip side, Ashok Leyland saw very strong growth led by the medium and heavy commercial vehicle sector, which saw a growth of around 17%. So those were the big trends that we noticed in the auto space this month. Let's slip into a quick break. On the